Hey, if you want to set your photo or custom picture as a wallpaper on the Redmi 13C, first of all, you have to open the file manager. Next, you have to locate your photo. So if you want to set the photo, it will be located in the images and just search for it somewhere here. But let's say that I want to pick, for example, this photo, and I have to click on the three dots and I have to click to set as a wallpaper. And now that's actually the preview of the wallpaper. We can also resize a little bit. I'm gonna put it like this, click apply, and here select to the lock screen on the home screen. I'm gonna set it on the buff, and right now I click agree, and it was applied. So when I go back to the home screen, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. And right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.